Cooking at Home is a helpful guide from helpguide.org that provides information and tips on home cooking. The guide covers a wide range of topics, including meal planning, grocery shopping, food safety, and kitchen organization. It also includes recipes for simple, healthy meals that can be made at home using ingredients that are easily accessible. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced home chef, Cooking at Home is a valuable resource that can help you improve your cooking skills and create delicious, nutritious meals for you and your loved ones. Cooking: follow the recipe instructions to cook the food, using a stove, oven, microwave, or other cooking equipment as needed. This may involve sautéing, baking, grilling, or boiling, among other techniques. Seasoning: add salt, pepper, herbs, and spices to taste. Serving: plate the food and serve it to your guests, family, or yourself. Clean up: wash any dishes and clean up the kitchen after cooking. It's important to follow food safety guidelines throughout the entire process, such as washing hands before handling food and properly storing ingredients to prevent spoilage or contamination.